Jacob the Red Wolf here. Sorry I haven't made any videos lately. I've been busy working on all that stuff. I'm gonna try to get the rest of the werewolf and Terry back up as soon as I possibly can. But here, in the meantime, here's a little bit of fireworks for you for the 4th of July. Enjoy. I'm gonna sweat lodge. Oh man, oh god, oh. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my pee is flammable. And yes, it sounds like a bottle of lighter fluid when I pee for some strange reason. I don't know why. This is fire. And it's about that time.
I mean, either way, he might be able to stay.
Woo!
It's a union address.
Any you coming over, Mama? To that thing?
Woo!
Grab some shirts you normally. That's all we need. I'll just follow it as soon as you get the house. I'll just tell you when I'm in. That way you know it all ready. That way
How you doing? Oh my god!
Hey, jump to it. Do it, Hanson.
Wow. This is a pretty kick-ass firework right here.
This thing's working, man.
This thing's lasting 1 minute and 10 seconds so far. Oh my god, that was fucking cool. We're at war! Holy shit! Fucking World War III everywhere, motherfuckers! Yahoo! Oh my god! Over there. Don't toss the stream! Oh no! I'm in your way! No. Holy shit! Also, you're like tripping, dog. Hey, this thing beat me. Yeah.
Try to get all at once. Whoa.
Oh yeah!
Holy crap. That one scared me right there. I'm just kidding. That shit was dangerous!
Oh! Oh! God.
That was weak.
Fail.
Hey man, how many guys should have freaking...
Oh, dude, man, come on, dude.
Oh,
I do
man.
at least 3.
Oh no. It's gonna feel so good, guys. Oh shit!
See, your leg's on fire. You're on fire, dude. Literally, you have shit on you. What'd you say? Dude, oh, you got a hole in your pants.
Oh, they didn't light.
This is a good idea. By the way, try this at home. I'm not gonna say don't. I'm gonna say try this.
Play, baby, you have a baby coming. Please don't kill your...
A bottle rocket can't kill somebody. That's stupid.
Yeah, that was...
Ow!
You had at least 5 more seconds.
That was fail.
Well, that's pretty much the rest of the fireworks right there. It's all over.
Well, actually, if this was to
Flaming
go
balls
on
of
when
Jesus.
Will starts...
What? Flaming balls of Jesus?
Flaming balls of Jesus.
Christian fireworks. Made for Christians only.